Welcome back everyone. Today we're comparing two prominent crypto trading bots, Bloombot and Photon, finally going head to head. Now, both Bloombot and Photon are designed to streamline your trading experience, each offering unique advantages. Bloombot is an intuitive and powerful trading assistant that simplifies crypto trading, especially for beginners, while also offering advanced features for experienced traders. Photon is a trading bot on the Solana blockchain, facilitating trading automation and providing real-time security updates to protect your investments. Key features for Bloombot would be its Telegram integration, as it operates seamlessly within Telegram, allowing users to execute trades and monitor markets directly through the app. Bloombot offers features like sniping and AFK mode, enabling users to capitalize on market opportunities efficiently. Photon definitely wins in the speed and efficiency department. Photon's infrastructure ensures sub-second transactions with low latency, providing a speed advantage for every trade. In terms of portfolio monitoring, Photon allows users to view all tokens bought or sold through Photon, offering insights into invested amounts, remaining balances, and profit and loss. In summary, Bloombot offers an accessible and feature-rich trading experience, ideal for both beginners and seasoned traders looking for seamless Telegram integration. Photon, then, on the other hand, emphasizes speed and real-time security on the Solana blockchain, catering to traders prioritizing rapid execution and investment protection. Your choice will depend on your specific trading needs and platform preferences. Thanks for watching. If you found this quick little comparison helpful, do consider liking the video and hitting subscribe.